For sure, I've been showing y'all like the paint job on the house and stuff, but most importantly, what's going on is I'm over here about to get ready to clean up today. Garbage day. They bringing a new water meter. As y'all know, the house got robbed. They took all of the plumbing pipes out of here. Those got redone, so the city on their way back. I'm not changing these windows. I love these windows. They beautiful. You feel me? Same with this one, but I do got to change the other ones. It's going to be so hard to change those windows, so I'm not going to change them because I cannot find the matching sizes. And that original looks so good anyway. All I got to do is really clean those out thoroughly. That one on the side over there, I'm going to change out. But today is the day I'm going to actually do some work. I'm not going to say y'all going to see it because ain't nobody here to record me. That's how it is. Nobody always there to give you a pat on the back. But I'm over here right now. This shit got to be cleaned up. Windows in and stuff. That shower fixture, again, we changing that to black. Everything ready though. This is my electric and stuff, so. Shit, we sturdy. Yeah, man. Get handles for these doors. I'm gonna do the painting in the rooms. I ain't tripping. I'm about to start taking all this trash and debris out. I'm leaving all of the moldings and stuff though, because those could be used. But I'm gonna just take like the old windows out, the trash, just to get a better picture on how shit gonna look when we done. Like I'm keeping these clips, those shit's expensive. Next time we only gotta buy these, but these getting kept. All right, so yeah, that's what it is. Let me get to cleaning up, y'all, because I gotta get ahead of the 8-boy. All right, at the home store trying to finish up getting my windows right now. So I'm also looking for a 25 by 44 if possible. Damn, that's 45. Here's a 25 by 41 and 3/8. You said 25 by 40?
Yeah.
That might work. Is it single hung though?
Yeah.
Oh, I need double.
Okay.
25 by 44. Close, as close as possible.
Yeah,
24 by, I said 44. That's 45 and a quarter.
Yeah.
Dang.
Not looking good.
Not looking good. Okay. Let me put a question mark for that. Okay,
What was that other little one you were looking for? Was it like 23 or something?
that's the one we got right there.
Oh, okay.
The single hung.
All right, I gotcha.
Oh,
the slider, right?
35 by 64. 35 by. Damn.
No, that's a pretty narrow window. It sounds like tall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's older house.
Yep. Yep. That doesn't surprise me.
Yeah. 47 by 64.
Yeah, if it's not on this sheet, because like I said, these are all the ones with stock.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you don't see those sizes, it's not something with stock.
Okay. So.
We got 47s there, but they're 30 and 46.
Yeah.
And nothing real tall. Or real tall.
How about this? So I got basement windows. Do you have a 36 wide by 21 and a half tall?
No.
No.
I think the biggest basement we have is 32 by 22.
22 or is it
22 tall.
Okay.
Yep.
So
31 and 3/4, so roughly 32 long
by
22 tall.
yeah, I mean maybe 31 and a quarter. I mean 31 and 3/4 by 18. I could probably build around it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, So you don't have these, no 35 by 64,
No.
and no 28.5 by 44. Okay. All right. So
Yeah, those are real narrow, tall
yeah,
windows.
yeah.
Not surprised when you said it was an older home.
Yeah. Well, I mean, the only two that I got from here was that one on my list, and then the other one I didn't put on my list. But
Gotcha.
I mean, that works. This one works. Definitely know I need this one. That one is cool. 29 by 36. Okay. I guess I'll look at Home Depot for the others.
Okay.
I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank
My
you.
pleasure.
I'm definitely going to check out these.
Yeah. I'm just going to chain this back up.
Okay, cool. 27. We're getting up out of here, y'all. Off this. Feel me? 29-year-old house flipper, you heard? You spend that money, you make it back. This is probably going to be about 500 in windows. I'd rather spend 500 in windows than 500 on bottles. This shit going to add at least $400 in equity. So shit, about together, these worth $9 in terms of, maybe more than that. In terms of when you add them to the crib. I gotta get 4 toilets. I need to try to find somewhere to get good, cheap toilets. How much are your complete toilets? Is this a complete toilet?
It depends on the toilet, yeah.
$42?
That's just the tank for the Freeport, and then that's the elongated bowl. These Katos are $139.99 for everything.
Yeah.
The Freeports were down there. I don't know if we still have any. We might have sold out.
Don't worry about it. I know Home Depot got the ones for like $100.
There you go.
$80, so I'm gonna grab those. Those extra $20 in savings always make a difference.
Why not?
Yeah.
Here, you can leave this here.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
32 door left hand.
Any of these windows work for you?
Huh?
Any of these clearance windows work?
Oh, let's see. 39 and a half.
This one's 16 by 62.
16 by 62?
Yeah,
I
this
think
one's 42 by 62.
42 by 62.
So
Damn.
these are fixed though, so it's like these you can open, but this one you can't. This is a picture window.
And what size is this one?
Should be 42 wide by 62 high.
42 wide by 62?
Yeah.
I think I need that one. I deleted the sizes out. Damn. I might need that one for only 201. Whatever it is. 39 and a half by 37. Let me make this call again.
You do you.
And I think I need, this is the only one I got?
That one and the one on the other side. These ones are 16 wide by 62.
And I think I need those. Wow. I'm about to call. Yo, that would be clutch if I could get those. What? Literally. Yo, Brody, I think I just came up on the lick. Hey, yo, you know that them bay windows in the front of the house? Can you measure those for me again? I deleted the sizes because I wasn't going to change them. My fault, gang.
You all right?
Yeah, my back killing me. I think they 16 by 52 or something. I mean 16 by 62. But it's crazy because they got 2 of them right here, 124 a piece. And they got the big window for 201. Literally lined up how we need the windows. They on clearance, bro. Yeah, it's 3 separate.
It's not really a bay window.
Yeah, no. It's 3 separate. One of them don't open. The side one's open.
16 will work, good brother. 16 by
62.
62?
It say 16 by 62?
It's a little bit more than that, but that'll work.
Word. Now, what about the big window? I think that one was like
48 by... $65.
Oh, perfect. I'm about to grab these windows. I bet this one, that one that you just measured, don't open though. It's not gonna open. Yeah, only the two side ones open. That's perfect, boss. I want these 3 too, please, if you don't mind. Wow, that's crazy. They don't got these in the back, but they got these. What I need. It's
Because
perfect.
these ones are clearance, not returnable. So
That's
just
fine.
wanted to be
That's
aware.
completely fine, boss. Need them 3.
Sweet. Going to a good home.
Yeah, we're gonna come back and get those.
Okay, you're not going to take these with you right now.
I'll take the 2 small ones with me.
2 small ones.
Yeah, and the big one I'll come back and grab.
The big one, I'll throw
Yeah.
in the front area there. And,
All right, cool.
but you're going to take those.
All right, Tone. Yep, taking these 2.
And
Yep,
the
thank
2
you.
Smaller ones.
I ain't gonna lie, man. This is about sacrifice, you heard? All this shit is about sacrifice. I don't want to fuck my car up and all the other shit. Man, don't nobody want to hear that crybaby shit, man. You heard? I got the windows in the back of the trunk. This shit don't even fit. Guess what? I sacrificed. Because you know why this was a sacrifice? I had to drive like this the whole time. I could have got pulled over. I don't give a damn. I got 3 windows in the back seat packed in. Them shit's packed in like sardines, you heard? Like, make it make sense, man. This shit is all about sacrifice. If you're not gonna sacrifice, you're not getting nowhere. That's a fact. Check my boy out over here. He over here rocking with this damn side door. Boss, shut the door. Close. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah, I think I should have went black, but I ain't tripping. Bang. But man, ain't no big deal. The front door black. Shit's still looking good over here. Everything's sturdy. You know what I mean? Or they're exchanging no robbery clause, man. My uncle asked to borrow a couple dollars. That's fine. Shit, I need some work, so he about to come help me clean this joint up. Right now, I'm about to watch Tone put this door in on the back door. My brother about to throw that joint on there. You don't want to just drop it over the gate real quick? I'm right here. It's 30. It's going right there. Another picture of the house. Cover that cover that broken window up. I got the window for that now, finally. They had that at the other store. It's time. Progress being made every day. A little bit of progress every day. Alright, I'm right here. We good. Yep. Yes, sir.
They look pretty center in the opening.
Yeah, from what I could see. I'm putting this door on. I can open the door?
Hold on 1 second.
All right.
You should be good at that. Oh, you didn't take the thing up. Oh, that's what you had in your hand.
Oh, no. Yeah, I don't know what the heck.
That little red pry bar right there.
Look pretty sturdy to me.
Foot level behind the door, I think.
2 foot level, this one?
Yep.
Stursky. I'm about to go grab baby girl. You need me or you good?
No, I'm good, bro.
All right. Yo, they said they couldn't do the dry. That's what I meant to tell you. That they can't do the drywall in here because the electrical not done.
Why it's not?
I don't know. Was we putting the outlet over here?
Not to my knowledge. Wasn't doing nothing in the kitchen but a new fixture.
I thought we was putting a GFI like right here or right there.
Not to my knowledge.
No?
I mean, you probably need one though.
Yeah, ain't no outlets in here. Is it?
I ain't no outlets nowhere, bro.
Facts. Well,